channel. So today I'm doing something really exciting. I'm going to be doing my review on my Ipsy bag I got this month, June 2018, and I'm really excited and I am ready to see what's in here. Now if you don't know what this is, it's a monthly prescription. I think it's $10.99 a month, and you get to try out different kind of products each month, and you get a little cute bag. And I have a ton of these, like literally a ton of these. Like I have them stored all in order of what you get them different months. You get a different theme bag for that month, which I love because I use these faithfully. I use them for my toiletries, for my purses, to organize. Like I don't like pins and chapstick and stuff like that loose in my bag. So I use these faithfully. Now I had stopped this for about almost a year because I was getting like the same stuff kind of sometimes. I was getting like the mascara and liner, and I was just like, I don't really want to do this. I'm gonna take a break for a little bit. And they kept sending me emails, we want you back, we want you back. And I'm like, nah. So this is my first month back on it, and I'm excited to see what's inside of it. One thing I love about this product and these services is that you get to use and try out different products that you may not have heard of or knew about, or you wanted to try, you didn't want to spend the actual price, that's cost to get it, and you wanted to, see if it's worth your money. This is the way to go. And now I used to get this, and I had something that I got with this that I loved, and it's the setting powder. It's the banana setting powder. This right here. Let's see if it focuses. Maybe not, because it's not focused on me. And a powder setting. And this right here, I don't know who makes it. It doesn't have a name on it, but I've had it for over a year, and this little thing has lasted me for over a year, and it's really good. I use this all the time, and that's why I got in my bag one time. So enough rambling, let's jump into it and see what we get in this bag. So the first thing I see, ooh, a brush. And it's by mintpear.com. Ooh, I like it. It's soft. It's really, really soft. And this one says mint pear round blend, soft blending. So it's a blending brush, and it has M64 on it. This is the brush. I love this. And that's another thing I love about Ipsy, is you get a lot of brushes, a lot of products for dirt cheap. And some of the samples are really big. Ooh, okay. So the next thing I see is Bare Minerals. What is this? Empower, promote skin, and to replenish, infuse, and moisturize, renew, awaken the look of youth. So this looks like it is a Bare Minerals Empower, Replenish, Renew serum. That's what it looks like. And this is the samples on this side. And I'm trying to figure out how to, oh, here it is. Oh, and it comes with like a little top and a little pump. That's what it looks like. And this is for after cleaning, apply 2 pumps over entire face and neck. Use morning and night. So it's basically just a face serum to rejuvenate it. And it's by Bare Minerals. And I've never tried Bare Minerals, but I've heard good things about it, and I've always wanted to. So I'm excited to try this. And this is, like I said, this is what it looks like. It's a little small too. So I got that. Next, I got, ooh, I'm excited. I got the charcoal clay bubble mask, and I got 2 of these. Oh, I'm so excited to try this. It's the hydrating bubble mask. Oh my god. It's free. You stay on here for 3 minutes. It clears your pores. It's fragrance free. And this is the brand, I don't know how to say that. Soa? this is what it looks like. And I love, love, love face masks. I absolutely am obsessed with them. I have a ton of them, and I love using them just because my face is really dry. It gets really, really dry, and so I love using face masks to just bring moisture back, clean out my pores, and things like that. So I'm excited to use that. The next thing I see in here is the Beauty for Real. And it's a liner. It has 24-hour, I guess it's a 24-hour liner. And it's black. I told you get a lot of liners, mascara, and a lot of brushes. I've got it. This is what it looks like. And it just says Beauty for Real. I'm assuming it's the brand. Let's see if I can open it. Let's see what it looks like. Alright. What it looks like. Ooh. I like these kind of pins. It's like one of those kinds you just twist it to pull it up. I like these kind of pins. That's what it looks like. Oh, it looks. Maybe it is. Looks like kind of bluish hint. Maybe. I don't know. But then these pins, what I don't like about them is once that tip is used, it's dull and it's hard to use it. But it's okay. So we're gonna use it. See how I like it. And then the last thing I got, I love these. Am I the only one that gets excited when they get like little things like this? The ones you can pop and you just squish and pop. Is that just me? Maybe. But I love these like little things. When I was a kid, I used to wear, I want the poppy things, I want the poppy things. And me and my siblings. Okay. Me and my siblings used to fight over the pops. The poppy things. So this is by, I don't know how to say the name. I'm bad at names. But this is what it looks like. And it's the cream metallic foil shadow with jojoba oil. What? Come out. Oh, there it is. Ooh, and it's called Dubai. I'm excited to try these products, and that's the thing. I love trying new things, but I'm the type of person, I'm very cheap. First of all. Second of all, I'm not going to spend a lot of money on something that I've not tried, and I get it. They're really, really cute. So you get a bag, a makeup bag for every single one. It's a different thing. And you get 5 or 6 products. Really here? Really? You don't want me to be great? Anyway, so I might do that. I'm gonna make a video of this using this product, but I'm so excited. And if you like this video, please, 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 please like, comment, and subscribe. I am going to be making videos once a week, maybe twice, maybe more. Depends on when I have time. I am a wife, a newlywed, and I have a 10-year-old. Anyway, you guys like this? Oh, I'm sorry. But here, sometimes it's here. She's home all the time, and I get home and she's like, "Mom, mom, 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 mom." I'm like, "Give me 5 minutes." No, she doesn't want that. But anyway, I'm rambling. I hope you guys like this video, and if you do, please like it, comment, and subscribe. And tell me if you have tried ipsy, and if you got something different. I would love to know what you got in your bag, and I know they do different stuff. They have like a certain amount of products, and different people get different things. So I would like to know what you got. Please leave it down below what you got in your bag. If you like this company, if you're interested in this company, if you have questions about it, please let me know. See you guys in the next one. Love you.